In this video, I will show you how to change the Duolingo app language to English. So for me right now, you can see everything is in Dutch. So if I want to change this to English, here's what you need to do. Just go to the home section in the bottom left of the Duolingo app and click on the flag of the language you are currently learning. For me, it's set to French, so I need to click on the French flag in the top left. From there, you want to click plus next to the course you are currently taking. Then here what you will see is there are some courses, and for all of these they are in Dutch. So it says all the languages and stuff here in Dutch. Now if I am going to scroll further down, I can see right here for English speaking, for Arabic. Now all of this is still in Dutch, so you will just need to see which one it is that you want to use. So for example, the English one is usually at the top. That's the one I want to use. And then when you click on the drop down, everything will be in English. So for example, if I still want to continue learning French, but I want to do it with an English app, then here I just select French and then click on the green button at the bottom of the screen. And then it will say change to English. So it says the interface will switch to English. Now that's what I want, so I'll click switch to English, which is the blue button. So click on that, and from there it's now loading the app in a different language. So right now when I go back here and for example go to my account in the bottom right, you will now find that everything is currently in English instead of in Dutch. So that's how to change the Duolingo app language to English. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.